Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Come on in. How's your day going?
Good, how are you?
Good. I like that outfit. It looks good on you. Or you look good in it, I guess.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how old are you?
18.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. Just saying. So, got a pretty long ride. I guess we're probably gonna get pretty comfortable, huh?
It's
With
only
each other.
like 20 minutes.
Well, yeah, I mean, a lot can happen in 20 minutes. Don't underestimate yourself. So where do you work? What do you do for work? You in school?
No.
You go to college?
No. I'm a model.
You're a model?
Yeah.
Okay. For what kind of stuff? You do social media stuff? You a TikToker?
Everything.
You know, can I get your Instagram? Is that cool? I'd love to follow you.
It's okay.
I mean, not in real life, like follow you like around, but I mean just like on, like I don't want to be like a stalker sort of, but just like on social media.
No.
Because every time, like before I go to bed, like I'm always scrolling. You know, everyone's scrolling. Like, you know, I might check out your vids or whatever, or your prints, whatever you got.
Honestly, I'm good.
So is that where you live, or was that your house?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because you walked out like it was your house.
No, that's actually my friend's house.
Okay, where do you live then? What's?
Nowhere.
Are you in this neighborhood?
No, I live like far.
Okay. Well, what area? I might know it because I drive a lot. Because I'm an Uber driver. I've been driving like 5 years. You know, I've done over 10,000 rides. You make so many good friends. You know, I feel like you and I, you know, at the end of the ride, I usually don't say this, but just to my best passengers, could I grab your number? Maybe we can hang out sometime.
You know what? Right here is good. Do you think you could pull over for me?
Well, no, we still got like 18 minutes left.
No, actually, I typed in the wrong address. It's right here.
Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
I mean, I usually, like, I want to follow the GPS on the ride, so.
Oh, no, it's okay. It's truly okay. Right here is literally perfect.
The heck? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did I do something wrong?
No, I'm good. Thank you,
You just cancel the ride?
Can you let me out? Thank you.
Okay. Well, I hope I didn't do anything wrong.
1 stars.